Hey everyone, welcome back to JNTUX Concepts. So in this video we are going to discuss the national and global quantum missions, India's quantum mission, European nations quantum mission, USA and China's quantum missions. So if you are new to this JNTUX Concepts channel, so in this channel we cover all the JNTU subjects which are important for your university exams that are conducted in JNTU affiliated colleges. So do like this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So without any late, let's get into our today's topic. National and global quantum missions. So these missions are large-scale government-led initiatives, as we can see that quantum technologies are emerging as a critical area of innovation and national interest. Various countries aim to accelerate the large-scale research infrastructure and the corresponding development is considered. Secure strategic investments are also made in quantum technologies. Even India is actively building its presence in quantum landscape, along with the global powers like USA, European countries, China, etc. These initiatives ultimately focus on areas like quantum computing, quantum communication, quantum sensing, and workforce development. So, quantum computing primarily focuses to build a scalable machines, whereas quantum communication focuses on secure networks and quantum networks, whereas quantum sensing focuses on precision measurement technology, and workforce development is to train scientists and engineers to work with the quantum technologies and get some familiar skill set. So let's move to the subtopic, India's National Quantum Mission. India has launched its National Quantum Mission in April 2023 by the Indian Cabinet with a budget of 6,003 crores of Indian rupees. So this particular quantum mission or initiative was over a span of 8 years. It has major aim to establish 4 thematic hubs, that is T hubs, in top academic research institutions focusing on fundamental quantum technologies. The main aim for this India's National Quantum Mission is to develop an intermediate scale quantum computers with a capacity of 52,000 qubits to develop a quantum key distribution networks, create a high precision quantum server for navigation, healthcare and defense sectors. This mission has primary vision position India as a global quantum technology player by 2030 and make India as a self-reliance nation in strategic technologies and to boost the national security, communication and research domains. So that is about India's National Quantum Mission. So let's move to the European Union Quantum Flagship. So this is a quantum mission that is led by European countries. This is a 1 billion euro led initiative mission that had a span of 10 years for the Europe's fragmented quantum landscape. It was launched in 2018. It is primarily focused on quantum communication, simulation, computing, meteorology, etc. It supports hundreds of research institutions, startups, and industries. It also promotes infrastructure projects like EuroQCI, that stands for European Quantum Communication Infrastructure. It focuses on establishment of secure pan-European communication network. This mission shows the Europe's intent and commitment towards the innovation, adaptation, and academic excellence in quantum science. So moving to US National Quantum Initiative Act. The United States of America came into quantum strategy with the NQI, that is National Quantum Initiative Act, that was passed in year 2018 with a several billion US dollars through government agencies like Department of Energy, National Science Foundation and NIST. Even collaborations are made with the private sector technology giants like IBM, Google, Microsoft, etc. companies. It establishes the National Quantum Research Center for quantum research, tech transfer, education, etc. US aims for the tech leadership and to secure supply chains and use quantum advantage for national security, economic growth and etc. factors. The last subtopic, China's quantum strategic advantage. China emerged as a global leader in quantum technology through state-led investment and rapid development through over 10 billion US dollars. That particular thing makes it the largest national program. China has achieved various milestones like building the world's first quantum communication satellite. It is an important point. The world's first quantum communication satellite, Messias 2016, and it demonstrated QKD, quantum key distribution, over satellite to ground. So China has future goals like to build a quantum communication network by 2030s and to maintain the leadership in quantum technologies as they are essential to future economic and for defense industry. So that is about China's quantum strategic advantage. So with this, we have covered the national and global quantum missions. So the summary of this video can be, we have discussed what are those missions, why they are taken into as initiatives. So what technologies they focus on, and the missions that are taken in some countries like India, USA, European Union, and in China. So we have discussed what are the key developments or important. So in India's national quantum mission, we discussed what was the budget of that particular mission, what India aimed to achieve with that mission. And same in the European Union's flagship, what was the budget and what was the achievements, what European nations tried to achieve in the quantum scope. Same as with the US National Initiative Act. So we have seen when the act was passed and who were part of that particular research and initiative acts. So the last one is China's quantum strategic advantage. So what were the achievements of China and how it became the leader or a dominant player in the quantum industry. So with this video, we have completed the first unit of Introduction to Quantum Technology and Applications. So I hope you have understood this video. So in our next video, we'll be starting another subject. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe and keep learning.